this video, I'm going to talk about my scientific research, which is devoted to the problems of automated aviation terminology translation. It is clear why this topic is urgent, as aviation has become an indispensable part of our lives, and at the same time, scientific and technical progress makes translators work with a wide range of deeply technical texts, which are devoted to this field of science. The timeliness of this work is basically the fact that means of automated translation, then I use the abbreviation AT, are becoming common while translating aviation text because of topical area general complexity. The scientific novelty of my scientific work is concentrating on the combination of exactly means of automated translation and at the same time the terminology of the aviation field. The object of this work is automated translation and aviation terms in the English and Ukrainian languages. And the subject of research problems of aviation terms translation by means of AT. The purpose of my scientific work is working with disadvantages of aviation terms translation by means of AT, and exactly make their definition, then classification, that means constructing a specific system, and then assessment. This means to conduct an analysis. The main task is the following. Firstly, choose some examples of aviation terms translation with human translation given, the one which is made by a human specialist. Then to translate these examples by means of AT. Then compare the results and identify the mistakes which AT has made. And finally, specify which mistakes are the most common. First of all, talking about aviation term system, we should give a brief summary, a brief characterization. It is clear that aviation term system has a complex structure. It consists of about 100,000 separate lexical items and combinations. Then its terms can consist of several components. Aviation term system is on a stage of its intensive development. That means this system is not steady. Some new words are appearing there. Then synonymy and polysemy. It means that for example, Ukrainian term, we can find a wide range of English equivalents for this specific word or word expression. And mobility and dynamicity means that the system, as far as I have said, is on the stage of its development, and the system is getting wider and wider with years. While making characteristics of aviation terms system, we should also pay attention to such process as terminologization, which means when one specific word in common use has one meaning, but in the context of some technical text, it getting another meaning, which is devoted to the actually some technical field of science. On this slide, one can see some ways of translation aviation terms, which most translators are in touch with.